Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a special recipe. It's called Miravni. This is a traditional Marathi recipe. It has light smoky and spicy flavor. The spice comes entirely with the peppercorns that we are going to use and very simple ingredients. Quick and easy recipe. Let me show you how. Come on.
I have lined the stove with foil for easy cleanup. Plus I'll use this metal mesh for even roasting of the onion, coconut and garlic. Here I have a large onion, half a dried coconut and a pod of garlic. We are going to roast these on direct flame until completely charred. Keep turning in between for even roasting. Roast on medium flame. It won't take more than a few minutes. These have already started to get nice and smoky. Now this is the end result. Switch off the flame and keep aside for cooling. I'm going to cut the coconut into pieces, separate the garlic petals and deskin the onions. Make sure they are cold for easy handling. Separate the petals from the charred skin. This is how it will look. Do the same with the onion. These are ready. Clean the coconut a bit to remove the extra charred skin if necessary. Then break into pieces. Roughly chop the onion. We will blend these with peppercorns and coriander seeds. Just add enough water to make a thick, smooth paste. This is how it should be. Now this recipe calls for ghee for the flavor, so don't skip it. A good amount of asafoetida. Just mix it well. And turmeric. Mix it a bit. We are going to saute the onion until slightly brown. Now cook the masala paste a bit. This is smoked kokam from Kerala. My friend gave me these and they are so flavorful, but you can also use regular kokam. I'm adding just a little water to make a thick curry. The detailed recipe is in the description box below with all the measurements, so do check it out. Once it comes to a boil, we'll cover and cook for 5 minutes. Now this curry can be used for boiled eggs, potatoes, dried shrimp or any other dried seafood. I'm using it for corn. Cut the corn in 2-inch pieces and arrange them in a single layer. Give it a mix and cover and cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. Our corn miravni is ready. Garnish and serve with some steamed rice. The corn miravni has got a lovely smoky aroma. I hope you like this recipe.
I told you it was quick and easy. My kitchen is filled with this amazing smoky aroma. I can't wait to dig in. If you like this recipe, leave your comments below, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next week. Bye.